They play that gas
Yeah. I move like this, I'll never be regular. I got the motion, the routes, and the schedule. What I've been through, you can never be ready for. Talking about juice, I'm just Pac with the metaphor. Look in the mirror, I'm looking at me. The price of life cheap, I ain't paying a fee. Nigga, no digital, paying for reach. Long as I'm free, I'll be straight as a crease. I move like this, I'll never be regular. I got the motion, the routes, and the schedule. What I've been through, you can never be ready for. Talking about juice, I'm just Pac with the metaphor. Look in the mirror, I'm looking at me. The price of life cheap, I ain't paying a fee. Nigga, no digital, paying for reach. Long as I'm free, I'll be straight as a crease. Been through some shit, so I really don't talk about no regular gossip at all. And the vibe is just effortless, come with some benefits.
Yo. What's up, family? Listen. I appreciate y'all tuning in so much. I appreciate that. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. It's very much appreciated. This is the very first episode of Real Talk with Travis Lamar. It feels good to be able to come and create a platform where I can, work for my people, be of service for my people, help my people, educate my people. This is amazing, man. It's a beautiful feeling, and I'm ready to go. I'm charged up. It's first thing in the morning, birds chirping, sun just rise. It's a grand rising for our people, and I'm here to help. This episode is just gonna basically be like an introduction of what I'm trying to do, my purpose, my services that I'm trying to offer for my community. That's basically what we're going to talk about today. And moving forward, the season of Real Talk, the content that I hope to bring to you is just it's educational. I want y'all to know that I'm here. I'm here to help, and I have to put myself out there more so you can know that I want to be used as a resource. I want to help my people. The journey that I've been on, my experiences, the things that I've, encountered, the lessons that I've learned, I want to give that back. So that's basically the mission statement, you can say, the purpose of what I'm doing with Real Talk. And just to let you know, Real Talk is a virtual counseling firm that I'm offering to the people, with COVID-19 out and all the uncertainty in the world. The virtual service is, I think, a good way to go. It's pros and cons to everything, but I think virtually, I can help you. And I offer a lot of different services. I was saying, I can do counseling. I've counseled professionally in the state of South Carolina for a number of years, man. If I had to guess, I probably counseled I don't know, it's definitely hundreds of kids. I don't know if I've reached 1,000 number, but I've counseled a lot of people. And even before I was a professional counselor, I've been counseling my whole life, man. I've always been that guy who other people tend to lean on and want advice from and talk to. I'm a natural born helper. That's who I am. So yeah, I definitely offer counseling services, individual counseling, group counseling. If we talk and we want to do peer counseling or relationship counseling, we can do that too. So I'm definitely offering a counseling service. I also have a unique service that's called Real Talk. That's actually the name of the service, Real Talk. And it's a little more informal, but it's a nice way to build rapport. That's another service that I'm offering. I've been a coach, so I'm offering life coaching services. I've been a speaker, so I'm offering motivational speaking services there. So yeah, you're definitely gonna get linked to the website. We're gonna go through that whole shebang, and if you see that there's something that I can do to help you, please reach out to me. Hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can hit the line for the counseling service. You can send me an email, realtalktravislamar@gmail.com. Just get in contact with me. It's pretty easy, in this day and age to reach out, and I'm here to help. That's real talk. I'm just a young black man, a young black conscious man trying to do his part to make the world a better place. Because at the end of the day, we all see what's going on in the world, and mental health is a big part of that. Like, we as a people, more specifically, we as a black people have gone through a lot of trauma for hundreds of years. Like, it's all well known and documented. Like, it ain't no secret. Like, we go through a lot and we deal with a lot, and it's hard to carry that by yourself, especially where we are in society right now. Like, it only makes it harder with COVID and having to, quarantine and social distance. Y'all know the shebang. Like, we need each other. We need to talk. We need to communicate. We need to dialogue. That's something that we have to do as a community, because that's the only way that we're going to move forward, is to actually talk. And it seems like a simple step, and you might just be like, oh, whatever. But that small step of just talking can turn into the most beautiful things. Like, you have no idea how many conversations I've had with people that have turned into tangible dopeness. Like, you literally talk to each other. Hey, how you doing? You doing okay? Good. How you feeling? What you thinking? And then something amazing happens like 3 months later. But what people don't realize, it really started from that talk. The talk started that all. So we gotta talk to each other, man. And that's what we're gonna do. We gonna do our part. I'm ready. I'm charged up. I'm not gonna be too long on this first episode. I just wanted to let you know what's going on, the purpose. Real Talk is a counseling service that's virtual. It's also a mentorship. You can get coaching done. You can get, like my life coach service. Like, I'm going to create a curriculum specifically for you. Like, I'm going to pour everything that I have into you as your life coach. That service is something that I'm already working on with the client, and it's dope. It's super dope. Yeah, I'm ready. My target audience, like, honestly, everything I do is for the generation after me. I ain't even gonna cap. So if you got kids in high school, you got little cousins, little nieces and nephews in high school, that's like my real target audience. I want to get them, young. It's easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. That's Frederick Douglass, and that's facts. So yeah, I want the kids. I want the high school kids. I want the young college kids. I want to tap into that generation, and really turn them up. I just want to turn them up. I ain't even gonna cap, and educate them and bring them consciousness and self-awareness and knowledge of self and knowledge of history. And we're gonna do that. But that doesn't mean I can't help everybody else. Like my peer group, the adults, that have come before me. Like, I'm here for everybody. Don't think I'm not. I'm here for everybody. And we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Real Talk with Travis Lamar. That's what we're doing. And it's only up from here. It's only up. Some may call me non-traditional. Some may call me radical. You know what I'm saying? Like, there are a lot of adjectives that's been getting thrown around that I've heard talking to people, and I guess I am what you say I am, but at the end of the day, I just want to help. So yeah, that's gonna be it for episode 1. Thank you for your time. I ain't gonna hold you no more. Just make sure that you like, you subscribe, and you turn on those notifications, so we can stay tapped in, and we can keep going up. And don't forget to comment. Like, I'm gonna talk about commenting real quick, cause it's real important. It's all about the dialogue, like I said. And I get so many text messages, like, for real. I get so many DMs. I get so much conversation in my phone personally. But I'm asking you, like, let's please comment on YouTube, on the actual platform, because I want everybody to be a part of the conversation, because like they say in the educational world, no, you ask a question because somebody else in the class might have that same question. The knowledge I want everybody to have access to. So, commenting on YouTube is important. And I'm not going to get into the algorithm side of it, but you know, it is important for the data too, for the engagement. So yeah, like, you know, subscribe to the channel, Real Talk. Turn on your notifications so you can know, you know, when a video drop. And I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible with these videos, like once a week. And if y'all want more videos, we can do more, because I got a lot I can talk about. There's a lot of knowledge up here, man. Y'all see the books in the background, like these ain't nothing. But I read constantly. Like I'm always reading, and we gonna make it happen. Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Let's comment. Let's go. If you need a service with Real Talk, then hit me up, man. The website's gonna be coming right behind this content right here. Peace. I love y'all. Ashe. Namaste. Yeah.